Millions in machinery and raw materials, protected by a chain-link fence. This is not a security plan. It's an invitation. vppss implements layered asset protection across 3 tiers. Randomized perimeter audits, every entry point physically verified. Thermal surveillance, detecting human presence where cameras are blind. Access management, every subcontractor and driver verified before they step past the gate. Your machinery is where you left it Monday morning. Your project timeline stays intact. We protect your ROI from the ground up. Get free security assessment today. Call us at 8773-861376 and visit our website at www.vppss.com.